Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up the Keil IDE and install different microcontroller packages using the Keil IDE. So without any delay, let's start the video. So I have downloaded and installed the Keil IDE in the previous video, and I have showed you how to install the Keil Microvision. So first of all, let us try to understand the Keil IDE's different facilities available. So first of all, you can go to the file. Here you can start a new file, open a project. You can, if you have the licenses, you can go and register the licenses. And these are the list of projects which are recently created in the Keil. Similarly, in the edit window, once you have started making the project, you can cut, copy, paste. All these facilities are common in every Windows software. In the view tab, you can see there are tabs like project window, books window, function windows, template windows, and all. Basically, these are available in the left pane. For example, here you can see project window, book window, function, and templates. So all the components which are available in the project will be displayed here. All the files which are available in the project will be displayed here. If you want to go through some books related to your microcontroller, those will be displayed here under the books tab. And then functions which are there available in your header file or libraries will be visible here. And similarly, different templates which can be used for your project like if, else, while loop and all, they will be displayed here. So right now nothing is visible here because we have not created any project till this time. Then after that we have project tab, which shows if you are interested in creating new project or open an existing project, export the project, manage the project. And once a project is created, you can compile the project by using build target or rebuild all target and so on. Then we have flash. This particular tab can be used to download the code in the microcontroller. We have debug. In this tab, you will find the different ways to debug your program. For example, going through step-by-step debugging method to go to a particular cursor where the program is right now stopped in the cursor. I will show you all these things. You can insert breakpoints, disable the breakpoints and all. And then you can go for debugging using peripherals. You have tools and you can reset the window to default view. So in this way, we can use the Keil IDE different features to create our project and manage our project. So first of all, let me talk about one of the most important feature of the Keil, that is package installer. This particular green button is the package installer. Let us click on that. Here the package installer has been opened, and in the bottom you can see the package installer is uploading. So once it is uploaded, you will be getting this message, welcome to Keil package installer. Click OK. And here in the search, we can install different packages for different kind of microcontrollers. For example, if I am interested in TM4C123GH6PM microcontroller, I can type that here and I can click on that. And then here in the right side, you can see all the packages which are available for that particular microcontroller. For example, Keil TM4C DFP and so on. And in the bottom, you can see there are list of other helpful files which you can use to create your project. For example, CMSIS files, CMSIS driver, RTOS related files, and so on. So the list is very long. With respect to the passage of this particular course, we will see how to use these particular different packages. Apart from that, you can have different examples for that particular microcontroller. If you have not installed these packages, then I would request you to click on these packages and update or install these packages beforehand so that we can be on the same page when we are trying to develop a project. So after this, if you have installed Keil TM4C DFP or device support package and MDK, that is Keil MDK professional package, middleware, CMSIS package, CMSIS drivers and CMSIS driver validation. So I would recommend at least these 4 should be installed in your Keil before starting a project. Let me close this. After this, we can create a new project using this particular tab, project, and then we can go to new project, and I have created a folder on my desktop and named it Keil Workspace. I will give a file name or a project name. So let me give it a name, first underscore project. Okay, and then I will save it. So remember, here right now we are saving the project and the project's extension will be .uvproj and click it save. So once the project has been created, you will be seeing this particular window which asks for the type of device that you are going to use for the project. Here I will type TM4C123GH6PM. This particular microcontroller is from Texas Instruments and it is available with most of the TM4C TIVA-C packages, and I will click OK, and then I will go to the manage runtime environment, go to the CMSIS, click on the core, close this, go to device and click startup. So once we have completed these 2 tasks, first CMSIS core and then device startup, these 2 has been enabled. After that I will click OK and my target is ready. So my project is going to be built around TM4C123 microcontroller. After that, what we can do is click on the source group, right click on the source group and add new item to the source group 1. Okay, so right click on this particular source group, add new item to the source group 1, click on that and you will see this particular window where you can develop projects using C language, C++ language, assembly language. If you are interested in creating header files, you can go for .h file and so on. So right now, suppose we are interested in developing the project using C file or .c language, then in that case, I will select C and then type here main, okay, and then add. So here we have the main.c file ready for the codes. Here we can write the codes. So you can see under the source group we have main.c file. Here we will write the codes. For example, if I am going to write a project for TM4C123, then what I can do is just right click here, insert include file TM4C123H. I will include that header file and then I can start my main file like this, int main, and then curly braces open and closed. Here I can just write return 0 semicolon, and let me try to compile the project and see if I am getting any error or not. And then here, this is the button for building the project, or you can use F7 key for building the project. So I will click on this button, and in the bottom you can see the project is getting built. Here we can see there are 3 errors and 1 warnings. So right now I am just stopping here. In the next video I will show you how to get rid of these errors and create a project using PM4C 123H6PM. With this I would like to stop the video, and I hope if you have any doubts or suggestions, please put your suggestions and doubts in the comment section. If you have not subscribed my channel, then I would request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.